Twice a year, students from all over the district, including this school right here, sell produce from their very own gardens at the giant student farmers market. The event, by the way, is put on by the nonprofit Green Our Planet.
We are participating in the Green Our Planet Farmers Market. This is our third one, and we just keep getting more and more successful every time we come out.
I'll post pots for $4.
Many schools come together to sell stuff they made and produce. We're selling like glitter bottles, we're growing pomegranates, lavender, and grow the rosemary, and then we harvest it by cutting it off.
We brought 10 students with us today. They're all fifth graders from the different classes, and what's amazing about our school is that we allow our fifth graders to choose their specials for a 6-week group of time. So they've chosen to be part of this program, and they've chosen to be working with Green Our Planet and building all their activities and all that kind of stuff.
I'm learning about banking, stocks, money, and earnings.
So we're really tapping in and empowering those students to be that farmpreneur, right? They've been learning FinLit, right? Financial literacy, and they've been growing, and they're like really excited.
We're selling crafts and vegetables. We have leeks, and we also have lettuce, and we also have very sweet melons. They're very good.
It's a real life experience for them. A lot of them are amazing, just interacting with the community members, and you could just tell they're loving it.
So we're selling basil, we're selling carrots from our garden. We picked them yesterday.
You know, at school, everything that we learn is paper, pencil, and to put it out there in the real world, there's, you can't learn more than from that.
Yeah, so it really empowers them to be those farmpreneurs and really get out here and connect with the public.
We plant stuff, we take it out, and once we finally sell them, people actually want to buy them, and that makes me happy.
Those pots for $4.
I'm so impressed. Nice job, everyone. Now, more than 330 students from 33 schools took part in this giant farmers market, and together, listen to this, they raised nearly $10,000. That money, the best part, stays with schools to help fund garden programs.